Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am introducing a new platform where you can build apps with no coding needed. It's AI powered, so you can create educational or non-educational apps in just minutes. And the best part is it's free to start. You get 250 credits every day to build your ideas. So let's explore. This platform is called Magic Loops. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So first of all, you need to sign in. I already signed in with my Google ID and I got 250 credits. So let's see how it works. So you need to click here at plus sign. You can see there is an app builder which is new. Just click here. So at the bottom you should write what do you want to build. So you need to write down a clear prompt about it. So I wrote my prompt. I'm trying to create one project-based learning designer. It can be an AI power assistant for teachers. So let's see how it works. Just click here. The important part is that you have to write down very clearly what exactly you are looking for. You can choose the style. So I'm selecting clean and professional, bright and engaging, and playful and colorful as well. So click next. Should user be able to save or export? Yes, I want them to save and export. So click yes. So they're asking for your tone. I'm selecting professional and formal. Now AI is creating code for your app. So you can see here my design is about to ready. It's PBL designer. So you can click here view app to see your app, or you can also click here to see it at your phone. So let's view the app. Just click here. Let's run a test on the app we just created. So you need to write down a topic. So I'm writing ecosystem. You need to select grade level. Let's say a 12. And just click generate unit plan. So you can see here the PBL unit plan has been generated. You can click to see the essential question, the driving question, the activities, the multimedia resources, final product ideas, and standard alignments. This is really awesome. You can generate your own apps according to your requirement, and you can share also with the help of QR code. There are so many ready-made apps are also available which you can check here. You can explore more tools, for example study helper, personal utilities, content creators, data insight, and creative fun. Let's see the pricing. As I told you, every day you can get 250 credits, so you can convert your idea into a professional app every single day. This is really awesome. I tried all the options and found it really useful. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.